Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Juke versus the Hyundai Kona. Both are popular compact SUVs, but they offer very different approaches to style and substance. We'll dive into their key features, performance, and interior comforts to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. Let's get started by looking at their distinctive designs. When it comes to driving, both vehicles offer a spirited experience. The Kona provides a range of engines, including efficient petrol, hybrid, and even an electric option, with the hybrid achieving around 60 miles per gallon. The Juke typically features a 1.0-liter turbo petrol engine, offering about 48 miles per gallon with a manual gearbox. The Kona often feels more refined, while the Juke delivers a distinctive, agile feel. Inside, the Hyundai Kona offers a spacious cabin with up to 63.7 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. It often features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Nissan Juke provides 422 liters of boot capacity, expanding to over 1,000 liters, and typically includes an 8-inch or 12.3-inch infotainment screen. Both prioritize connectivity and offer a suite of safety features for peace of mind. Ultimately, choosing between the Juke and Kona depends on your priorities. The Hyundai Kona often comes with a 5-year, unlimited mileage warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, offering excellent long-term assurance. The Nissan Juke typically has a 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty. While the Juke stands out with its bold styling, the Kona often provides a more versatile and modern package, especially with its diverse powertrain options and generous warranty. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.